To take apart this dog kennel, we are going to remove the vertical rod that goes all the way down that corner, and there's one at each corner. It looks like a shepherd's crook, and there is the very top is the crook, the bottom is straight. So put all those down. Then we can just, the front, there are these hooks on this top piece here. They have hooks, and we move that up so that this front will come right out. And the hooks are also in on the side parts. So I'm going to remove those everywhere. And then now I can, these side hooks are also on that other side. So now the top comes off. And there's those side hooks. And so those face down, the hooks face down. We'll put the top to the side. We can now lift out a black tray that captures various things. Put it to the side. Okay, and then you can see the bottom grid there, the left and the right walls and the back wall. The back wall can easily be removed right now because there's nothing holding it in. The side walls attach to the bottom in a certain way, and so I'll need to pause the video for that.